All right, welcome. I just got back from work right now, and as you can see, I have advanced quite a bit, and yeah, I have a lot of cool things to share with you guys right here. Let's just, first of all, it's not perfect yet, it's not done, but I do intend to finish this once and for all, the most, basic working application by the end of this live stream. So okay, so this is what I have so far. I'm gonna start talking to you guys right here. As you can see, I've progressed quite a bit. As far as like the gems go, check this out. I'm at the way how this is working so far right now um, is that I'm generating the gems at random locations in the beginning. So besides having various multiple different type of sprites all around, I just when I press the green little flag, I set uh, the infinity stone. Well, first, this is how it's going to start off, right? So infinity stones is going to be set to 0 because every new player that plays the game needs to have 0 infinity stones under their belt. Second, I'm going to generate broadcast generate stones. Generate stones meaning that I want it to generate just for aesthetic purposes onto the screen, the bottom right corner, these gems right here. And you can see that this is a block that I've created. And if we go through here, we um, we set up a variable equaling to 1, and we're going to repeat 6 times, 6 infinity stones for Thanos' gauntlet. Since we're starting at 1, if gem equals 1, then we're gonna put the we're gonna start with this costume 699, meaning that I'm now able to have the sprites start at different spots. So as you can see right here, this is let's say a red one, then I have a purple one, a green one, so on and so forth. So I'm starting them at different frames. That way they're not all starting at the same time, right? Because it wouldn't really make sense. If you think about it, you want to see different colors for every single infinity stone loading onto the screen. You don't want to see two greens, two reds, etc. You want every single one to be different. So that's what I ended up doing right here. So I made sure that I switched the costumes up I to the right frame position. I created a clone of it and I set it at a certain position of X and Y onto the screen, and that way they don't overlap with each other. And so that's what happens right there, right? So this is what happens when I press the green flag. Boom, as you can see, they're all different colors. They're all starting at different colors, and it's awesome. I think that's great compared to how I had it last time in the beginning of the stream where it wasn't that great. So as you can see, each of these clones, when they start as a clone, they show, because right here they're hidden. They show and they're forever looping to the next costume. Awesome, great. So the next thing that happens is that when I press start, I'm taken to this backdrop, right? So when I receive start game, we hide and delete all the clones, and now you can see that I'm playing as Thanos, right? Playing as Thanos, and there's a crazy amount of asteroids that are currently coming at me, and I have to dodge them. There's not like I'm gonna be a little bit strict with the mechanics of the gameplay, where if you get hit once, well, too bad, you got to start all over from scratch. And you could see that these infinity stones, these gems, are set randomly. If you could see right over here, showing them now because remember I hit them when I start the game and I deleted the clone. So these are completely different infinity stones that are placed on the right half of the canvas at certain X and Y locations. So Thanos' goal is to make sure that these damn asteroids don't hit him. Oh snap! It's kind of hard. So you see, so it stops right here. Well, this is another thing too I added. So because the Avengers were the ones that were going against him and stuff like that. This is what uh this is what I ended up working on. Because remember, right? We set up the Infinity Stones a global variable to 5. Since it's set up to 5, we and when we receive play Thanos, because um, as the backdrops are changing, That's what we end up having. We end up having the Play Thanos backdrops gets called. Let me see right over here. So yeah, when you receive start game, hide and switch back up to start Thanos. If we go here, start game, you hide. This is not that important. Alright, generate starter string Thanos, so we show, blah blah blah. Okay, so where? Oh yeah, these are pretty much the backdrops that are occurring right over here. Boom, and the other backdrop where we have the space background, and then this is where we're at. Cool. Okay, so right over here, so yeah, going back at it, we win. This is how the you win screen is going to look like. Now, the biggest challenge, so look, there's bugs as well, but depending on the time I have, I don't think I'm gonna really focus on it too much, because if you see here, I'm missing a gem for some reason, but if I click the flag again, it reappears. I'm not too sure what's going on there. Yeah, because if I re-click it, you see it's weird. Like, sometimes it loads them and sometimes it doesn't, and I don't know what that has to do with anything going on right now. But my biggest problem right now that you guys are about to see is that when I'm playing as Thanos, and let's say I get hit, I do clear out all of the what's it called? All of the asteroids in the beginning, right? They do clear out all in the beginning, like you're gonna see right now. Boom, they clear out, but they start coming back, and I do not want that. I do not want that, because right here, I wanted to switch to the game over screen, and then I'm gonna focus on having like a try again button. So in the morning when I was working on this, I figured out where the bug is happening from, and it is coming from right over here. Now I'm gonna take off my jacket. That's how you know it's serious. That's how you know it's serious right here. We not playing when it comes to this CS50 grind no more. Okay, so when I receive play Thanos, repeat until it's touching Thanos or till it equals 6. My surprise is that when I play as Thanos, right? I play as Thanos and this actually gets to 6. It does work. It stops doing this. It completely stops doing this, and it let me see. Let me think this through, because maybe I'm the one that's wrong too. Because another thing I'm realizing is that not only is this running when Thanos gets hit, but the costumes are also moving. So let me write this down. That way I do not get lost with you guys here. So when Thanos is moving, when Thanos is hit by asteroid, my the create clone loop is still going. Okay, we know that. The start as clone loop is going. So look, this is what's going on right now. The create clone loop is still going even after Thanos is touched. At first I thought that maybe it's happening because for some reason if Thanos touches one asteroid and there's another one coming through, I would understand that this one asteroid that Thanos touched disappeared, and the rest wouldn't. But then that wouldn't make really any sense because the first five or so asteroids that launched onto the screen were disappeared, and it looks like the function gets called again when I don't want that. What I want it to do is to clear the screen, stop the script from running, and continue to the next backdrop, which is the you lose, right? And for some damn reason, that's really not what's happening. And look, we could even check it right over here. So we're gonna switch the backdrop to game over. So we know that when he's touching the asteroid, he does hide. This is happening. But for some reason, like I said, it's not. So another thing too, the Infinity Stone needs to go away as well. That's something I'm gonna write down. Maybe what I could do, is there like when I receive game over, let's just clear this one that's a little bit easy to figure out right now. When I receive game over, I'm gonna make sure that I don't have this anywhere else. When I receive game over, not only do I want you to hide, but I want you to, well, let's first see what this does. And let's load the screen again. What if I hide and stop the script? Let's see what that does. It's not a, for sure it's not a freaking clone. Because it's showing. Maybe my understanding of clones isn't that up to speed. Okay, so let's first try this out. Let's see, um, what would this do, right? And then I'm also check this and this. I'm gonna check this later on, but I first want to make sure that this is working. I'm assuming that if it stops this script, that the gems would reload at the right position. That it, like when the script is stopped, that it's not gonna remember that this was there. Okay, I win. Let's check this out. So no, that did not work. Okay. I don't think this is gonna work because there is no clone being made right now from this, but we'll see. We'll see. Check this out. Let's grab this. Let's hope that, you see, what the hell? But why does this flag reset it though? How do I make this flag reset? And what would happen if I just put it here? Hide and I delete this. Let's see. I mean, there's only one way to find out. Let's see what it does. So that's not what we want. Huh. Let's leave this here and let's not show it, because I'm seeing that when I generate the gems, generates, what does it say here? change them by 1. Broadcast generates starter screen Thanos. Okay. Starter screen Thanos, meaning like the little story arc that I had there. What if I were to do this? What if I were to do this instead? How about that? How am I gonna hide two things when? Yeah, let's see. The main difference I did here was that I did take this out and take this out. Alright, let's test this. Let's test this out. What did I do? Wait, what did I do? What the hell? What did I... I set it up in the wrong spot. Okay. Dude, what? No. Okay, what is going on, dude? Okay, so now, because it's a clone, it's not touching it? What? Interesting. Very interesting. Okay, why don't we just restart it? You see, and it doesn't make that much sense to me too. Like, why does it do that? Okay, that works. When I receive play, okay, without need. The gem thing turns out it's a little bit more tricky than I thought it would be. Okay, so I've solved the asteroid problem right over here. I see that infinity stones equals 6. Repeat until infinity stones equals 6. Set randomly the gems to show up at a random location until Thanos is touching the gem. Boom, 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 boom. Then you hide. Maybe I shouldn't hide it. How do I... Let me see. So this is always the one that is messing up on me. Right? Okay. I mean, I could probably hard code it to a different position. Let's see. Okay, I don't know, dude. Let me see. So what I'm trying to do is see, like, when it shows and I hide it, if I can reposition it. Ah, dude, no. Dude, no, it's okay. Well, it's not doing that. What the hell? Hold up. I'm gonna understand this. I'm not gonna give up. I don't really care how long this takes me, but that I'm gonna learn, I'm going to learn. That's who I am. I have to do this. Okay, so we're gonna throw this out the way. I'm gonna create a clone of myself. Duplicate. Then I'm going to delete this clone when it does happen. Okay. It should show. You see? This is crazy. Why would the clone not allow panels to... Okay, so clone, let's see. Why is that happening? And why is this shit happening? Dude, what is going on? Okay, whatever. You see, like, that does not make any sense right now to me. The only thing that's putting shit randomly is this right over here. And yeah, I had a cuss because this is like... And why does it not pop up when I switch to this you lose? Like, why does the gem not pop up there? Tricky, tricky. Alright, so that was weird. Whatever, I'm just going to delete that and I'm going to just focus on... So, the clone seems to not notice when Thanos is touching it, yet when I start as a clone, could it, maybe it's because of this shit right here too. Okay, damn, I was really thoughtful right now. Um, so what I'm noticing is that most likely what's going on is that this isn't being called for the clone because when it starts out off as a clone, unless what would happen if I just grab another one of these and said fuck it, you know, like this is what's going to happen. But how would I differentiate this clone from that clone? I'm not. Alright. Alright, what is okay? Okay, so I know that this is being called when it creates a clone. And I know that when Infinity Stones, when I receive play as Thanos, and Infinity Stones gets set to here. What is the damn issue then? Dude, I really don't like being so quiet, and I feel like, look, 30 minutes has almost passed, and I'm not that advancing that much. Dude, what the hell? So, show, go to here. But when I click this, it's not supposed to show, it sets this to here, generate stones. When I receive generate stones, go here. Technically, this shouldn't really matter now that I look at this, right? Because it just goes here to here, right? Let's see. And watch this little shit be there. So when I start game, So when I click on start game, broadcast start game, I'm broadcasting start game. This little flag though, when I click on this flag, I want to do what? I want to generate these gems. And for some reason, dude, it's like, this is already resetting it, but what's going on here is that when Thanos is touching it, I want this to be resetted to its original position. Let's see. Generate gems. I mean, dude, I don't know what else to fucking... Interesting. I don't know what's going on, guys. I really do not know what the hell is going on right now. It's frustrating. It's frustrating for sure because I know that it's happening right here. It's like, it's not. Like, let's just do this. What will happen if I just do this? It hides it, switches the backdrop, and in broadcast I win. So this isn't doing shit. Okay, nice to know. How do I... Unless I just do stop the script, like... Dude. Oh my god. Why? Alright, now it's a little bit difficult. Go! Okay. You see? How do I even Google this? Like, Sprite doesn't reload and position after it. Okay, I'm not the first one to go through this. Yeah.
Spacebar. So like we press the stuff button, and as soon as I press spacebar, like now, it resets it. Or we could even use another button so that when the reset button is clicked, it's going to broadcast the message reset. So we could make it do its thing and reset, boop, goes back to normal. Cool. So what I just demonstrated for you would work really well for this code right here.
So it's saying for me to, dude, okay, but like, I think is this one? 195 171 negative 40. Two oh seven. No. 137. No. 134. What the fuck? What is this thing? Wait, chill. 137, 195. $209, dude, fuck it. What is this gonna give me? Let's see. Dude, man, coding is pretty difficult, especially when you haven't practiced this in a long time. It's kind of embarrassing how it's like almost an hour has passed and I'm stuck. Bruh. Was that even the same spot? Alright, it's like right there. What if I'm just like, fuck you, I'm gonna put you there. I just can't, I just cannot believe that it would do that. Oh, fuck. Oh my god. Okay, dude. Okay, let's see. A little bit better. Which one's not the copy? Oh, interesting. Alright. Seems like we're getting somewhere here. Seems like we're figuring this shit out. Okay, let's see. I just gotta plucking numbers until this gem is placed where it's supposed to be placed. Okay, so let's see, y'all. Let's see. I think I'm getting closer to the solution that does the job. Alright, now my problem is that it's not the right one. That keeps on missing. 137. Bro, this is fucking dumb. Hold up. -178, -105. So it's in the negatives for sure. It's in the negative 10 something. It's not that. Is it 137 by -53? Let's see. Dude, oh my god. This is week 0, by the way, guys. Week 0. Look at your boy Alex right now. God damn. Are we past the hour? Not yet, but we're gonna be good. Okay, let's see. No, it doesn't seem like that was it. Where is this? Dude, what position is this? One, 7, 6, and 4. Can it be? But where is that number even coming from if it does not even exist? Oh, it's the last one. Let's see. I don't know why it did not want to work before, but it now works, dude. Okay, we figured that bug out. It took 43 minutes and 50 seconds to figure out. Wow, okay. How do we place the generated gem? Okay, so wow. So what was the problem again? What did I solve? Okay, so for some reason, what was going on here, right, is that the position, even though we would hide the position, hold up. Yeah, even though we would hide, so what was going on here is that this random position for the generated gem, for some reason, gem number 6 would be the one that would be not deleted for some reason. Because when I start game, I hide and delete all these clones, but for some reason number 6 would keep this random X and Y input value and place it on the screen. It isn't until I would double click the green flag that it would regenerate all of these stones back in its, positions that I've manually inputted here. So what I had to do was figure out each gem, which one was the one that was being misplaced the whole time, and it turns out that it was number 6. Gem number 6 was the one that was being misplaced. So when Thanos touches the gem, it would disappear, right? It would disappear. It would change the Infinity Stones up by one, and I would switch backdrop. Now let's double check and see that this is really working, because if not, I'm gonna fucking cry. Interesting. We have broken the game, y'all. What is, oh my god, what the fuck happened now? Repeat until gen equals 6, oh my god, okay. We didn't even set the damn game right. We made a glitch within the game. Okay. Let's go. What? Oh, okay, that's what's supposed to happen. I was panicking here. Okay, let's see. Got that part working, right? Cool. All right. We got this part working. Now, let's focus on... Let's focus on this little issue going on right here. So when I lose the creek, when Thanos is hit by asteroid, aka lost. Repeat until Thanos is hit. So it's creating the clone and calling this I wonder, why do I have that there? Can I not just have it? Okay. Alright. What happens if Thanos touches it? You see? Like, those get deleted. Dude, I don't... Hold up. What? I'm taking off all of this crap from that has anything to do with Thanos touching. Yet it still deletes. me a second, guys. I gotta go to the restroom real quick. Be right back. Alright, you guys, I'm back. I'm back, I'm back, and I'm live streaming, and that is what matters. Okay. So, this is what we do know, right? We do know that this loop right here, the play Thanos loop, is constantly going. It's not stopping, Check this out. So, I do know for a fact when I collect. Oh my god. I know for a fact that. Let me first change the damn amount of Infinity Stones I'm gonna start with. I know for a fact that when I lose, this is still loading. Although it did touch Thanos, right? The clones are still out on the loose. So wait, how am I creating these clones? Repeat until I create a clone of myself. Wait. When I start as a clone, set X to them. I'd set X right here at the far end, and it's going to generate in a random Y location. And I wanted to show forever repeat until X is all the way here. We know this isn't doing shit, this isn't doing shit. We also know that this is forever being called. But what we do know is that when infinity stones equal... Aw, dude. Don't tell me the fucking gem problem just happened again. Let's see. Do you see? This stopped it. And we're gonna double check again. This time we're gonna duplicate this. Wait. We're going to duplicate that, and we're just gonna put repeat until infinity stones equals 6. Okay, thank God that the damn freaking gems popped up where they were supposed to pop up. Okay, let's go here. Let's test this out. Let's do it right over here. Repeat until it touches Thanos. That's the problem. My fucking senses are not working properly right over here. So, sensing for Thanos touching asteroid, cloned asteroid, not working. Now, why would that be the case? I'm just thinking about making a true or false variable. Like, if I were to make a variable called is dead, right? What? And when I start the game, let's see. If is dead, where's the equal sign? I need to set this to... Okay, so what I'm trying to do is set an is dead boolean. You're not going to start off dead. You're going to start off alive, right? So when you start the game, when you click on this, you are going to set is dead is dead to false, right? Oh my god. Whatever. I guess like when you lose, the gem doesn't set up where it's supposed to set up. And when this fucking asteroid hits you, when Thanos is hit, if Thanos is hit by an asteroid, set is dead to true. Okay. Now these asteroids repeat until is dead is true. I'm not even gonna get my hopes up. I'm not gonna get my hopes up, bro. Okay, let's see. Let's you see this little fucker, whatever. Let's just figure this out. So hold up, let me just write this down. When I die and did not collect gem, it still loads at wrong location. So set gem randomly and repeat until Thanos is dead. It's touching Thanos. Or if Thanos never touched it, we need to, it's either repeat until it's either touching Thanos or if this motherfucker's dead. So if it is dead equals true. Any of these is, go to the next one. What's that? Let's see. What the fuck? What? What the fuck happened? Hold on. Repeat until... So it's counting it by 1. Yeah, it's not gonna happen. Alright, let's just see what's going on right here. Let's just see what's going on. Let's just see what's going on. Is that is true, you lose. Let's just do the fun stuff now. Okay, so I have these files that I'm going to try and have Thanos I'm gonna try to get like some sort of file where Thanos is dying or something like that. Damn, he's dead right there. Okay. Maybe I don't have to complicate it too much. Alright, let's see. I don't even know if you guys are seeing what I'm seeing on my screen. Probably not. My bad, you guys. Check this out. So this is like for aesthetic purposes, we're gonna do 53535. I'm getting that number from right here to 538. Aesthetic purposes of that, or I could also probably, not that. Just add 481. This would be blue beam or whatever, blue light. 481 is dead, Thanos. Okay, so pretty much what I want to do. 481. I want to add a new sprite. I want to do it from right here. 481, where are you? Yeah, I only want it to pop up when it's there. Cool. So now I also want to delete that. Okay. I only wanted to show it when it's game over. So what I want to do when clicked, I want this to hide when I receive game over, which is what's happening here. Where are you? Let's see. When I receive game over, because if it's touching asteroid, instead is true, hide, game over, you lose, okay. When I receive game over, I want you to appear, right? I want this to appear, and I want this to hide when I'm clicking this, or in the future, I want this to hide when we do the game reset. When I do game reset, okay. I also want to probably change the background. I also want to probably change the position of Thanos. I don't even know if I downloaded this yet or not, but I want to download this. Shoot, that's not enough. I want to download all of it. Okay, I want to just download the You Lose. Seems like I had it already. What the hell? Okay. You Lose. Okay. Where are you? Oh my god, where did I put it at? Okay, right here. You lose. Backdrop, you lose. Before I get distracted, yeah, let's just change the backdrop to you lose. Let's see, right over here. I think I put it here. Nope. Organization is key. I'm sorry that I haven't done that. Maybe I don't want it like that. Maybe I do want it like this. Huh, why not? Keep it simple. That's actually pretty sick. Okay, got that part. So what I want to do, I want to delete that. And when Thanos is hit by this freaking asteroid, switch backdrop to you lose. Cool. So this Thanos, he's gonna be set on 1 negative 13. We might make our size 200. And for aesthetic purposes, we just might copy this code as well to the other sprite I have in mind for him. Let's first just put his where we want him to be at. We want him to go to show, and we want him to be at 1 negative 13. Cool. We also want the freaking, for aesthetic purposes, let's just do this part then. We want to go here, and I want to get the, like, this type of blue underground thing. You'll see right now what I mean. 535 to 538. All right, let's see that. Okay. Ah, shoot. We want to upload it here. The rest 535, 536, 537, 538. Okay, now we do this. Boom, 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 boom. This and this, okay. This and this. Now, what we want to do is we want to copy the same code we have over here. When this is clicked, we do not want to see it when, we only want to see it when we receive game over, or in the future when we see, we don't want to see it here either. Okay, so we want to make sure that we're hiding it. We'll only show it when it's here. We don't show it when it's there, and we don't show it when it's here. Okay. Okay. Now, where do I want this to load? We want to make this appear kind of back. Go to back layer. Go backwards 1 layer. Right? Okay. That's something interesting. We want to go like 200. And we want to forever next costume. We might also want it to wait a little bit, probably like 0.02 seconds. -6, -13. Let's see. 2, -16. guys think? I think I think this is better, a little bit more simplistic, and yeah. So now I'm not gonna go with this. I'm gonna go with this, and I want to see if I can make like a try again. Yeah, like a try again button or something like that. What the? Oh my god. Try again. Maybe a little bit smaller, for sure. Ah, dude, come on. Don't. Oh. No, I don't want it to look like that. I want it to look exactly like that. Try again. Maybe. Would I want it in like a red background? Are these grouped? Is this grouped too? How the hell do I know? Okay. How do I ungroup these things? There you go. The gem. The freaking gem. Repeat until it's touching Thanos. And if it's not touching Thanos, wait, what? So what's gonna happen here? So when I receive game over, right? Am I broadcasting that? Game over, okay. When I receive game over, I need to reposition that as these gems as well. Let's see, when I receive game over, I want to reposition this. The Avengers will not stop me. The Infinity Stones will be mine. Okay, let's see. Ah, shit. Huh. Do you see what I see with this little costume? There's freaking purple still there. There you go. There you go. We figured it out. We figured out the gem issue. You see, now it's loading back to where it's supposed to be at. Cool. Cool, 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 cool. So when I receive game over, I'm still placing it here. And to my knowledge, when it's clicked here, it is set to, it's hiding. Okay. Got it. And then when it generates the gems, it's back to showing itself. Right? The point is that it works, and that's what matters. Now what I need to focus on is my try again feature. Page number 4. Try again. So I want this to pop up whenever there's try again should pop up. Try again should only pop up when there's game over. Cool. Hey, we're actually progressing. It's actually pretty surprising how when you put this pressure of recording yourself and actually focusing, like actually coding and doing what you're supposed to be doing, it makes a hell of a difference. All right then, cool. Let's check this out. What was I gonna do? So when I receive game oh, first I have to load. What is it? Yes, it's a sprite. It is a sprite that I'm loading up here. My try again sprite. I only wanted to pop up when. Cool. I only want this to pop up when this is clicked. When I receive game over. Oops. I want this to show and I want this to hide. I want this to hide as well when there's a game reset, which I have not done yet. Let's see. I want this to be positioned right over here. So where are you? Where are you? Where are you? I want this to be at 10, -8. And I want to, when I click on this, when I click on the sprite, when sprite is clicked, I want to broadcast game reset. And game reset, I'm gonna broadcast game resets to restart Thanos, Asteroid, gem count, and is dead to false. Okay. Do I want the size to be this big? Probably. How would it look like if it was a big screen? Oh, that's good. 75. Set size to 75%. I think that's good. By 13. Okay. Am I tripping or is that centered enough? I think that's centered enough. Cool. Okay, so let's focus on the try again feature. Game reset. What is game reset going to do? First, I want when game reset is clicked, I want this to hide. Okay. I want the you lose backdrop to change. So I want, okay, so for sure when I receive this, I want to switch my backdrop to the space background. Okay. I want is dead to equal false. Oh yeah, so I need to set this infinity stones to 0. Set is dead to false. Okay. I want for I want to broadcast play Thanos. Oh shit, is it working? Dude, what the hell? Hold up. Is it finally working? Oh snap. Can it be? Ah, okay. Holy shit. Oh my god. Awesome. Alright, let's do this. Let's take this out of the way. I think I got it. Alright. Full screen mode right here. Let's see. Let's get it. This is gonna be unmuted. Alright. We're gonna just delete this right here. Okay. Let's see. Oh snap. This is the infinity stone thing is not correct. Which so infinity stones to Z. Wait, it's not that one. Okay. Now we could start playing. Okay, let's do it. Let's see. It took the whole week to do, but I learned a lot. Let's see. Oh my god, okay. Try again. That was it. I did it, dude. I did it. Week 0 to do, as I promised myself, is pretty much done. And I documented it, which is the craziest part about this. Holy shit. Oh my god, that's pretty freaking cool. Okay. I mean, what can we do better? Yeah, it's time to celebrate because I literally did this without knowing anything. This was literally a vision I had. See these papers right here? Like a damn vision I had, and I was like, whatever, cool. Let me just figure this out. Just draw little pictures, and I think that's what I miss most about like coding and stuff like that. That you know, it doesn't really require me to actually buy physical stuff. Like my only limitation is my brain, and I can make cool, dope ass ideas with just my computer. But that's fucking sick that I figured it out. At least to this point where it's actually working. And not just that, but this also helped me like really appreciate game development a lot. You know, I see the art of it, and I see like how cool it must have been to be part of a team like Sega when they started creating Sonic when back in the 90s. And who knows, man? Who knows? I've really been thinking about it a couple days now in my head. Like maybe I would be down to do game development, but knowing who I am, I'd rather just focus on my craft, go through all of CS50 first, and then I decide whether or not what path I want to pick. Because right now there's a lot. There's web development, there's blockchain development, there's game design, game development, and you know it's not going to be possible to do everything. So I rather just make the decision by the time I'm done, and to see which one is the one that will benefit me the most with my life. Um, so yeah, that's pretty much what I got so far. CS50 week 0 complete. I'm so freaking hyped, and man, what can I say? The fact that I even recorded this is pretty fucking cool. Thanks so much if there's anyone there that happened to watch this, since I know there's literally nobody right now in my live right now. But if you do happen to watch this in the future, try this out. Really, really try this out. Try exactly what I'm doing out, because I feel like when you're by yourself, it discourages you. But when there's that pressure of being on camera, well, it's not really pressure, but you just feel way better. You feel, well, maybe might feel intimidating at first, but I actually do enjoy being on the camera and, you know, brain like recording my brainstorming sessions and how I come up with solutions and stuff like that. Like, it's practically like it's like the rubber duck method, you know, when you're talking to the rubber duck to see where the problem is coming from, but way better. Because, you know, you're recording yourself and you're talking on the camera and you're actually focused and you know what to do. And this is like proof, you know, this is proof that it's true, because look, I was able to figure out the gem problem, I was able to figure out the try again section, I was able to figure out the why the cloning wasn't working. And the cloning wasn't working, at the end of the day, it wasn't working because the cloned asteroids weren't keeping in consideration like the sensation of Thanos being touched when he actually was being touched by the asteroid, and it should have just stopped that loop from happening. What I ended up doing at the end of the day instead was creating a global variable that was a boolean, true or false is dead. And yeah, that global variable ended up being a great path to the solution, because now I was able to use that global variable and my try again method, where when I'm resetting the game, it's it's resetting at the right spot it's supposed to reset. It's not resetting in that little beginning interlude where Thanos is talking to the Avengers and saying these stones will be mine and stuff like that. You get what you know what I'm saying? So not only have I modularized and made my life a lot simpler by having this global method, global variable, that when I switch it and I switch back to, you know, the original background, it just boom automatically already knows what to do. And I'm really satisfied with the results. I really am. And I can't wait to see where this goes in the future. Week 0, guys. Week 0 complete. And I'm about to stop the stream right now, and I might make another video on the side of like the summary of what my week 0 thoughts were. But yeah, this is it for right now. Thank you guys for watching. Take care. Peace.